Hello to everyone! I'm Violeta and Russian for Foreigners today. Are you ready for 16 new words in Russian? So I prepared it for you. So if you are ready, let's go to the board. Today will be so quickly lesson. So tea, чай, milk, молоко, butter, масло, seafood, морепродукты. Do you like it? I love it so much. Meat, мясо, can be beef, говядина, pork, свинина, or someone maybe like meat as a lamb, баранина. Okay, I invite you here. Next one. Pancakes. Блины, блинчики. Juice, сок. Sandwich, sandwich. It's so easy. We copy you guys. Ice cream, мороженое. Corn, corn. Do you like it? Кукуруза, кукуруза. Carrot, морковка. Garlic. I like to put somewhere like in a soup, garlic. Чеснок. Do you like it? If it's a dinner and after you will not go to meeting, it's good to have it, you know. So next one, red pepper, красный перец, красный перец with the garlic, so tasty. Onion, look, maybe you can put it if you're French, doing French fries or something like this, or with a soup or something, or in a salad. So garlic or onion, look. Mushrooms, грибы. I forgot Russian, sorry. So cookies, печенье. Do you like it? If you're on a diet, not on a diet, you can eat. Cereal, хлопья. Potato, картошка. Tomato or tomato, помидоры. Candy, if someone likes sweet, candy. Конфеты. So, let's move on. Strawberry or raspberry, strawberry, клубника, raspberry, малина. Banana, банан. We don't say banana, but we can say banan. Cucumber, огурчик. Spaghetti. We can say spaghetti also, but we can say макароны. Макароны. Olives. Оливки. Оливки. Honey. It's good with the pancakes. Honey. Мед. Sugar. Сахар. Do you like sugar? If you don't like, anyway, you should know what does it mean. To say I don't like it, don't put it please. Sugar, сахар. Soap, soup. Soup the same. We have a kind of different soup, but soup can be soup. Vino, вино. Beer. Do you like beer? Пиво. Пиво. Orange, апельсин, orange, апельсин. Apple, яблоко. Cabbage, капуста, капуста. Shrimp, I love it, with the lemon. Shrimp, креветки, креветки. Lemon, лимон. Avocado, avocado. Bacon, bacon. You see, we copy you guys, but okay. So, we have another part of words, but we can pronounce it the same as you are. So, let's go. Hamburger, Gamburger. Copy you again. Yogurt, yogurt. Look like the same but a bit different. Sandwich, sandwich. Burger, burger. You see, like Russian we pronounce all letters and copy words and thinking that it's Russian. Chicken burger, chicken burger. Even we have chicken, the word chicken, курица. Anyway, we say chicken burger. We don't say курица бургер. Look like strange, right? Chicken burger. Cola, Pepsi, it's the same. Pepsi, cola, королева танцпола. Okay, I'm joking, we have in Russia now this song. So, milkshake, milkshake, the same. Pizza, pizza. We have the same, but why I told you about these words? Because I want you to know how to spell it in Russian. So, muffin, also the same, muffin. So, sandwich, we thought, so that's it. 60 words, so easy. But last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 last words you know already. It means you know how to say in Russian using 10 Russian words. We think that it's Russian. So let's see about 60 next words in Russian. It's another video. So see you.